Good evening, dear friends. Welcome to this guided meditation by My Journey Studio. You have arrived here tonight after a long day. Maybe today was packed with things to do, decisions to make, people to care for, unexpected little moments that didn't quite go as you hoped. And maybe your mind has been carrying so many thoughts, quietly swirling in the background. But now, as the sun has set and the world begins to slow down, you can slow down too. This is your time to exhale, to let go, and simply be. Let's start by getting nice and comfortable. Whether you're sitting or lying down, just find a position where your body feels fully supported. If you haven't already, go ahead and gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly, palms facing down. That will help you feel a little more grounded and settled. Now take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let it out gently through your mouth, almost like a soft sigh. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply. And exhale with a little Just let it go. With every breath, you're giving yourself permission to soften, to release, to unwind. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Now, gently bring your attention down to your feet. Just notice what's there. You might feel a soft, warm, tingly sensation, like a gentle energy moving through. And as you breathe out, allow any tension to simply melt away from your feet and ankles. You might even notice a little heaviness dissolving as your body begins to fully let go. When you're ready, let that awareness move up into your calf, your knees, and your thighs. Let the muscles here soften, grow lighter, more at ease. The energy continues to flow like a calm, quiet current, gently moving through. Now bring your awareness into your hips and lower back. If there's any tightness sitting here, just breathe into it. And as you exhale, invite it to release. Feel your whole lower body sinking a little deeper into the support beneath you. Fully grounded, fully safe. Now gently shift your focus to your belly and chest. Let your breath create space here, softly expanding with every inhale and releasing any tension as you exhale. feel the warm, steady energy flowing through your core. Smooth, calm, and steady. Now moving up to your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. If you've been carrying any weight here, just allow it to gently fall away. Feel your arms getting heavier, your hands softening, fingertips completely relaxed. A soft wave of warmth continue to move through you. And finally, bring your awareness to your neck, your jaw, your face. Allow every tiny muscle to soften. Your jaw releasing, your cheeks relaxing, your forehead smoothing out. Any leftover tension simply melts into the quiet. Just allow yourself to rest here in this stillness. There's nothing you need to do. Simply notice your breath moving in and out. Effortless, steady, easy. As you exhale, imagine the weight of your day gently melt away, like a soft mist rising and fading into the quiet night sky. With every breath out, you are letting go of anything you no longer need to carry. And if any little worries are still hanging around, that's okay too. You can imagine gently placing them into a small box beside you, knowing that if you need to, you can come back to them tomorrow. But for now, they don't need your attention. I invite you to take a quiet moment to honor your day. Gently ask yourself, what have I accomplished today, even with all the challenges? Even the smallest wins count. They always do. When you're ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the space around you. You can gently wiggle your fingers, your toes, inviting some soft movement back into your body. Carry this sense of lightness with you as you move through the rest of your evening. Wishing you a peaceful evening, sending you love and light. Namaskar.